In March 2025, BYD made a groundbreaking announcement. The Chinese automaker revealed a new technology that could shake up the entire electric vehicle industry. Already making waves worldwide, BYD is emerging as a serious competitor to Elon Musk's Tesla, and their latest move has everyone talking. The buzz centers around BYD's cutting-edge hybrid system set to launch in 2025, called the 5th generation DMI. It's a breakthrough that could outshine today's technology and transform the EV market. So what exactly is this engine, and how will it shape the future of driving? Stick around to find out, and don't forget to subscribe so you're always first to catch our updates. So, what is the 5th generation DMI hybrid system? Simply put, it's BYD's signature hybrid technology, combining both an electric motor and a petrol engine. For shorter everyday trips, the electric motor takes the lead, keeping things clean and efficient. For longer drives, or when the battery runs low, the petrol engine kicks in seamlessly. The 5th generation version, launched in May 2024, is BYD's most advanced yet. What makes it stand out? First, efficiency. This engine boasts a thermal efficiency of 46.06%, meaning it squeezes more power out of every drop of fuel than almost any other engine on the planet. By comparison, most engines today operate at just 30 to 40%. The result is less fuel wasted, lower emissions, and major savings for drivers. When running on petrol, the system consumes only 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers, an incredibly low figure. Add in the astonishing combined range of up to 2,100 kilometers on a full tank and fully charged battery, and you've got a vehicle that can go from New York to Miami and back without stopping once for gas or charging. This is possible thanks to a dedicated 1.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with BYD's renowned Blade battery, known for its durability and safety. Combine that with high-performance electric motors and advanced silicon carbide power chips, and the result is a hybrid system that's efficient, powerful, and built for the future. Compared to Toyota's well-regarded hybrid systems, BYD's DMI-5 pushes things further, delivering lower fuel consumption and a longer electric-only range. No wonder it's becoming a favorite not just in China, but globally. And beyond performance, it's greener, cutting carbon emissions while making sustainable driving more practical. Now, let's talk about how BYD's 5th generation DMI is shaping the future of electric vehicles. The world is racing towards sustainability, and EVs are at the center of this transformation. But for many drivers, going fully electric still feels like a leap. Whether it's the fear of running out of charge, high upfront costs, or limited charging stations, that's where BYD's hybrid system changes the game. With its jaw-dropping 2,100-kilometer range, smart hybrid setup, and affordable price, the DMI makes electrified vehicles accessible to more people than ever before. It tackles one of the biggest barriers to EV adoption: range anxiety for drivers in regions with patchy charging infrastructure like parts of Southeast Asia, South America, or rural areas in Europe and Australia. BYD's hybrid system eliminates that worry completely. The DMI isn't just about going farther, it's about making cleaner driving affordable. Fully electric cars can be expensive, often tens of thousands more than petrol cars, but BYD is flipping that equation. Their hybrids are not only greener, but also cheaper. Take the BYD Seal 05 DMI for example. In China it starts at just $12,250, making it as affordable or even cheaper than many gasoline-powered cars. This affordability is a big deal, especially when paired with government incentives in places like China and Europe, where subsidies and tax breaks are pushing more people to go green. By lowering the financial barrier, BYD is making it easier for everyday drivers to join the EV revolution. Hybrids like the DMI also serve as the perfect stepping stone between old-school petrol cars and fully electric vehicles. Not everyone is ready to go all in on EVs. Whether it's because of cost, charging infrastructure, or simply the comfort of filling up at a gas station, the DMI bridges that gap, offering the efficiency and electric driving experience of an EV with the reassurance of a petrol engine for longer trips. This flexibility is key in regions where charging networks are still developing. No surprise, then, that BYD's hybrids are gaining traction in places like Thailand, Brazil, and Australia, where drivers want greener options, but still need practicality. In the US, surveys show many drivers actually prefer hybrids over fully electric cars. This trend is pushing companies like Toyota, Hyundai, and BYD to double down on hybrid technology. While Tesla continues to focus only on EVs, hybrids are proving especially popular in regions where charging stations are still limited. BYD's DMI system found in models like the Seal 07 and Tang DMI is raising the bar. These hybrids are fast, stylish, and equipped with advanced features like Urban Navigate on autopilot, which allows for semi-autonomous city driving. So, Toyota and Hyundai are also rolling out competitive hybrids, and honestly, their lower prices are making customers think twice about Tesla's lineup. This growing demand could shift the balance in markets like Asia and Latin America. Global trade also plays a role here. In the United States, high tariffs are keeping Chinese-made cars like BYDs out of the market, which actually benefits Tesla since it still holds a strong share of EV sales. In Europe, tariffs exist too, but BYD is working around them by building factories locally. At the same time, Tesla's sales in the region have slowed, creating opportunities for other automakers to step in. In China, Tesla's second biggest market, sales dipped in early 2025 while BYD and other local brands gained ground by offering advanced features at more affordable prices. Cars like Xiaomi's SU7 sedan are even emerging as trendy alternatives to Tesla's Model 3. Tesla also faces challenges with its lineup. The Model Y and Model 3 have not seen major updates in years. While rivals like BYD and Hyundai are rolling out fresh designs, Tesla's promised affordable EV, codenamed Redwood, isn't expected until mid-2025, leaving competitors more time to expand.
Tesla's focus on autonomous driving technology, such as its robo-taxi project, could also draw attention away from the need for affordable, practical cars that everyday customers want.
Looking ahead, Tesla needs to move quickly. Lowering prices could make its cars more competitive, but that comes at the cost of profits. A refreshed Model Y and the launch of the Redwood EV could help, but timing is critical. Expanding gigafactory operations in Europe and offering more budget-friendly models could also win back buyers. In China, Tesla may need to collaborate with local tech firms to better compete with the advanced features offered by brands like BYD. The EV and hybrid market in 2025 is more competitive than ever. The automotive landscape is undergoing its most significant transformation in a century, and honestly, the road ahead is becoming increasingly complex and competitive. At the epicenter of this shift is Tesla, the company that single-handedly jolted the entire industry into the electric age. For years, Tesla enjoyed a seemingly unassailable position as the undisputed leader in electric vehicles, a visionary tech company on wheels. However, the competitive environment is now intensifying at a breathtaking pace, creating a perfect storm of challenges. This pressure is coming from multiple fronts. From China, BYD has emerged as a formidable force, not just with its pure electric vehicles, but most notably with its brilliantly positioned affordable, long-range hybrid models like those featuring the dual-mode intelligent technology. These vehicles act as a sweet spot for many consumers, eliminating range anxiety while offering exceptional fuel efficiency for daily commutes, all at a price point that is, frankly, difficult to ignore. At the same time, legacy automakers, from Ford and General Motors to Volkswagen and Hyundai, are no longer just watching from the sidelines. They're now fully in the EV race, using their century of manufacturing expertise, their massive scale, and their deep-rooted dealer networks to launch their own, really compelling electric offerings. Adding another layer of complexity are geopolitical factors like tariffs, which are reshaping global supply chains and market access, and the ever-shifting sentiments of customer demand. After an initial wave of early adopters, the broader market is now looking for more variety, more affordability, and proven practicality, needs that newcomers and established players are eager to fill. Despite these mounting pressures, it would be a mistake to count Tesla out. The company retains powerful advantages. It boasts a loyal, almost evangelical fan base that is the envy of the industry. Its core technology, particularly in areas like battery management systems and software, remains a strong differentiator. Most importantly, Tesla's first-mover advantage has given it a crucial lead in building out its supercharger network and establishing the Tesla brand as synonymous with EV. So, what is the path forward for the pioneering automaker? The strategy seems clear, though execution is key. Tesla must accelerate its focus on bringing a truly affordable, mass-market car to life, a vehicle that can directly compete on price with the offerings from BYD and others.